We're on the roof of the new Daytona Beach Fire Station headquarters. We just installed 200,000 watts of solar on the roof, 330 solar panels. Installation turned out very nicely. Fully ballasted, penetration-free racking system, 3-phase solar edge inverters. This system's expected to offset majority, if not all, the electrical usage for the building. But we maximize the roof space on the building with the solar panels, around 200,000 watts. Happy to work with the City of Daytona Beach and the fire department on helping them go solar on their new Daytona Beach headquarters.